Answer is 1033. I'm being lasered right in both sides of my head right now. Right here and right here. There's voice to skull coming from Pearl Harbor, HICKAM Air Force Base. Now it's saying meanie across the sky. I posted this note right here. They put two notes side by side and they took the video away. They had the video on the bottom when I posted it. Then they put it on the top right after I posted it. Doing all types of switches to my post after I posted it. This voice to skull keeps talking from Pearl Harbor, HICKAM Air Force Base. Electronic harassment, terrorism, terrorizing. Pearl Harbor, HICKAM Air Force Base, Oahu, Hawaii. Well, we're all locked down for this COVID-19 virus. Sarcastic artificial intelligence targeting program. Targeting me from New Alano Street on top of the building here, just down from the 7-Eleven, New Alano Street and school. On top of the building, and from the Pearl Harbor HICKAM Air Force Base. This is May the 5th, 2020.